Again, to that question, why now?
Thank you, Sophia, for having me. But the question then will be, why not now? I think people are reading too much into it. If you look at the number of cases that we've been handling and the number of cases that we've reviewed, nobody has raised those questions before. And really, if we had any sinister motive whatsoever, then I would have been even more careful in when and how I was going to withdraw them. But we had no such ill motive at all. And we were doing our work as we knew best. Our files are open for scrutiny, and I think we did that with the LSK and other players within the legal fraternity. And we had a number of communications in a number of those files that you were talking about much earlier, before this decision was made.